Millions of pages from the government's file on Jeffrey Epstein now public. The Justice Department saying it marks their final release and includes thousands of videos and pictures.
We are producing more than 3 million pages, including more than 2,000 videos and 180,000 images.
But the documents are 42 days past the deadline, and DOJ acknowledging they withheld an additional 3 million pages of records, they say due to concerns including victim privacy or child abuse material. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche, formerly Trump's personal attorney, saying the White House had no oversight here and no documents were withheld to protect the president.
I can assure that we complied with the statute, we complied with the act, and there is no, we did not protect President Trump, we didn't protect or not protect anybody.
Among those newly released records, unverified tips investigators received over the years, including some with uncorroborated allegations against President Trump, ex-President Bill Clinton, and other high-profile individuals. Trump, a longtime friend of Epstein before a falling out, and Clinton have both denied any wrongdoing and any knowledge of Epstein's crimes. And this new video of Epstein's longtime co-conspirator, Ghislaine Maxwell, seen here in a 2016 civil deposition, giving answers that would soon see her charged with perjury.
Did Jeffrey Epstein have a scheme to recruit underage girls for sexual massages?
Objective Forum Foundation.
If you know.
So, I don't know what you're talking about.
Those perjury charges were later dropped after Maxwell's conviction. And never before seen communications with some of the world's most powerful men, like Elon Musk, who seemingly planned visits to Epstein's island, writing to Epstein in 2012, "What day/night will be the wildest party on your island?" Musk said he never went to Epstein's island. And Trump's Commerce Secretary, Howard Lutnick, Epstein's former neighbor, who just months ago said he distanced himself from Epstein in 2005.
My wife and I decided that I will never be in the room with that disgusting person ever again.
But the records show that 7 years later, Lutnick wrote in 2012 he would be in the Caribbean with friends and family and asked to go to Epstein's island, writing, "Does Sunday evening for dinner sound good?" His wife coordinating with Epstein's assistant, writing, "We are heading towards you from St. Thomas. Where should we anchor exactly?" Later, Epstein's assistant writing to Lutnick, "Jeffrey wished me to pass along the below to you. Nice seeing you." A spokesperson for Lutnick saying he, quote, had limited interactions with Mr. Epstein in the presence of his wife and has never been accused of wrongdoing.
But also contained in those released records, unredacted names of victims who are calling this a betrayal. In a statement, they say they were exposed while, quote, "the men who abused us remain hidden and protected," adding, "that is outrageous." Janae.
All right, Olivia, thank you for your reporting.